JNC Absolute Spy uses a spy app to monitor Android cell phones. You can use a cell phone, tablet or laptop to monitor the target phone and all their activities. Please note this is a live bugged phone, and due to privacy regulations we will not be opening the function on the top of the portal. Here is how you will see your portal. You can monitor all the features on the top of the screen, for example, received or outgoing calls, text messages, clipboard texts, WhatsApp messages, Facebook messages, Viber messages, screen capture, files, WeChat, Snapchat, Telegrams, Just Talk, Bip messages, emails, Hike, Kik, Skype, Hangout, Instagrams, photos, browsed history and data liberation. If the previously mentioned apps are not on the target phone, you will not be able to view that specific app. A bonus feature is this live panel. This is what makes this app used by JNC Absolute Spy so brilliant. The person can be monitored through the target phone without their knowledge. You can decide which camera to activate, and you will hear live audio, or you can use audio capture. Depending on the target phone, some of these functions might not work. JNC Absolute Spy also sells brand new cell phones preloaded with this software.